Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Beverage cooler and refrigerator.
Number 5.
Antarctic Star 24 bottle wine cooler. Keep wine cool. Heat is enemy number 1 for wine. The wine cooler enables you to store your ideal light and humidity. The sun's UV rays can degrade and prematurely age wine. Perfect wine storage. 24 standard red or white wine bottles capacity. Also perfect for canned beer. No vibration and quiet, with no disturbance to its natural occurring sediments. Equipped with movable black shelves. Freestanding application only, not for built-in use. The beverage and wine center door.
Number 4.
D wine cooler refrigerator. What you need, as a true wine connoisseur, you surely understand how important it is. State-of-the-art technology, this wine cooler comes with a built-in compressor. Frost-free, unlike similar products on the market, this beverage chiller fridge has a frost-free technology. Ultra-elegant, with built-in LED lights for a gorgeous, classy display and 7 wooden shelves. Special features. This glass door cooler has a temperature range of 40-66 degrees F and can be adjusted.
Number 3.
Stomach SWC 182Z 18-inch wide. Less than 18 watt for a perfect fit in smaller kitchen and wet bar spaces. Flexible design allows built-in or freestanding use under counters. Digital thermostat offers precise and convenient temperature control. Factory installed lock provides security you can count on specifications. Finish, black.
Number 2.
Dandy 120 Can Beverage Center. 3.3 cubic feet capacity beverage center, up to 120 cans. Mechanical thermostat with temperature range of 43F 57F. 3 black wire shelves and interior light. Recessed side mount door handle, an integrated lock with key, tempered glass door with stainless steel trim and black body. Energy efficient and long-lasting blue LED light illuminates the interior. Energy consumption is 368 kilowatts per hour year.
Number 1.
New Air beverage cooler and refrigerator. Cools down to a chilly 34 degrees Fahrenheit, lower than other beverage coolers, ensuring your beverages are perfectly frosty. 3.4 cubic foot spacious beverage center holds up to 126 cans. Metal rack construction for durability and longevity. 5 easily removable chrome racks help you fit cans or bottles of various sizes and shapes. Frequency, 60 Hz noise level. Sleek, stylish black and stainless steel design complements any home decor. Metal rack construction for durability and longevity. Freestanding design fits in many spaces at 19 long by 18.25 watt by 33.13 high.